Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's uncover the real truth about carbs, fats, and weight gain. There's so much to discuss, and it's crucial to get the facts straight. There's a lot of misinformation out there, so let's set things straight. Many people are confused about what really causes weight gain. First off, carbs and fats do not inherently cause weight gain. It's a common myth that needs debunking. The real culprit? It's your overall calorie balance. Understanding this is key to managing your weight effectively. If you eat more calories than your body uses, you might gain weight, regardless of whether those calories come from carbs, fats, or any other source. It's all about the energy balance. Now, not all carbs are created equal. This is an important distinction to make. Complex carbohydrates like those in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and beans are your friends. They provide sustained energy and are packed with nutrients. These foods are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They help you feel full and can prevent overeating. Fiber in particular is great for digestion and maintaining a healthy gut. On the flip side, refined carbs, often found in processed foods, can contribute to weight gain if you go overboard. These are the carbs you want to limit. Fats also play a crucial role in a balanced diet. They are essential for various bodily functions. They provide essential fatty acids and help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins. These vitamins include A, D, E, and K, which are vital for your health. But here's the kicker. Fats are more calorically dense. This means they contain more calories per gram compared to carbs and proteins. They pack 9 calories per gram compared to just 4 calories per gram for carbs. This is why portion control is crucial when consuming fats. So, consuming too many calories from fats can also lead to weight gain if you're not balancing it out with physical activity and mindful eating. Regular exercise and being mindful of your portions can make a big difference. The key to maintaining a healthy weight isn't about cutting out carbs or fats. It's about understanding how to balance them in your diet. It's about focusing on a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients and managing your total calorie intake. Meal planning and being aware of what you eat can help you stay on track. Various studies and expert opinions back this up. Research consistently shows that a balanced approach is the most effective. Whether you choose a low-carb or a balanced carb diet, both can be effective for weight loss as long as they're part of a calorie-controlled plan. The key is to find what works best for you and stick with it. To sum up, neither carbohydrates nor fats alone are the villains in weight gain. It's a combination of factors that include your overall diet and lifestyle. It's all about the balance of your overall diet, the types of carbs and fats you consume, and your total calorie intake. Being mindful of these aspects can help you maintain a healthy weight. So remember, a balanced and mindful approach to eating is your best bet for maintaining a healthy weight. You've got this. Stay positive and make informed choices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Your support helps us create more content for you. Stay healthy and see you next time. Take care and keep striving for a balanced lifestyle.